What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ray, man, back with another code video. Today we are going to be getting into the ATL money glitch with SMS marketing. Now, a lot of people might ask, what is the ATL money glitch? The ATL money glitch is how these motherfuckers are buying Trackhawks, buying Hellcats, all that type of shit off clothing brands. So all you got to do is grab yourself a pen and paper, draw some clothing, send it to a manufacturer in Pakistan, and then you just follow Ray and he will teach you how to do the ATL money glitch, man. So let's get into it, bro. Let's not waste any time. This is how you do the ATL money glitch. Let me make my bitch ass a little smaller. Oh my God, boom. So the ATL money glitch is right here. It's right in front of us, right? There's 100 bands right there off SMS marketing. That's like a whole fucking Hellcat or a Trackhawk, or like, you could get yourself a nice car, you feel me? So the ATL money glitch is right in front of us off 3,600 people. Our lifetime value is 1,100. ATL money glitch is banging. So let's all just pay attention real quick. Listen to Ray. So getting into it, make sure you got Postscript, man. If you want to do the ATL money glitch, you got to make sure you got Postscript. You download Postscript, boom. Once you're in Postscript, make yourself an account. Once you're inside the account, watch. That's what you got to do. You want to click on acquisition right here. Boom. You want to click on mobile right here. Boom. Once you click on mobile right here, this is the ATL money glitch right here. You want to put unlock 10% off your first order RN. Save 10% now to subscribe to discounts. No thanks. I don't want to save dollars. Copy this. Copy this real quick. I'm going to keep this up. Screenshot this. It's part of the ATL money glitch. Boom. Then form. A lot of y'all be doing double opt-in, on-site opt-in. Like, bro, stop doing that. You want to get yourself a Hellcat. You want to get yourself a Trackhawk through the two-touch. Do two-touch. You're going to make a lot of money. So make sure it's two-touch. They click that, it's gonna sub them in. They're gonna buy. Trust me. Now, I'm gonna play with the ATL money glitch a little bit. You feel me? So I'm gonna do play Benchy save. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna do play Benchy subscribe. Oh no, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. We're not gonna tweak with that. Just gonna go here. Send this text to get 10% off play Benchy now. And chance to get free hoodies and sweatsuits. Boom. Okay. So niggas love free shit. We gonna tell them they're gonna get free hoodies and free sweatsuits. Boom. Then boom. Let's do full pop-up. Make sure you put your logo up. This is my background color. This is my button color. Boom. That's it. It's pretty simple. Pop-up delay 14 seconds. I might just try 8 seconds. Or not. Let's do like 10 seconds. Boom. Click save. Now, this is the first part to the ATL money glitch off SMS marketing. This is going to make you a lot of money right now, man. You feel me? So make sure y'all copy this, bro. Just copy it. I ain't even going to explain that because the more I look at it, the more I realize niggas don't give a fuck. They just want to copy paste. So I'm going to give you the copy paste bullshit. So boom, desktop, you click that. Unlock 10% off. We're going to do the same shit we did on your first order now. Save 10% now to subscribe to discounts. No thanks, I don't want to save money. And then on-site opt-in. What is your phone number? And then boom, that's it. That's literally it. That's it. You don't got to do too much. That's the ATL money glitch for SMS marketing. Now heading back, list growth tools. A lot of people be asking me, how do you put up the actual shit on the website? So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that real quick. So you want to click convert your email list. You want to choose a keyword, subscribe. That makes you that. You click get link, it gives you the link right there. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna have some private information pop up. Just 2 seconds. I'm gonna hop into the theme editor and show you guys how to do the ATL money glitch off SMS marketing on your. Okay, there we go. Boom. I'll put that back in there. Well, it doesn't let me do that, but that's cool. That's cool. See OBS and shit. God, I'm just going to make that big. Now, I got this right here. Earn rewards, blah, blah, blah. Button. Join VIP. Or, yeah, join VIP. Then we're going to move that bottom center. Now, boom, when they click this button, it'll take them right to their SMS and sub them in. That's how you do the ATL money glitch, y'all. Like, Need I say more? That's how you do the ATL money glitch. That's how you go get yourself a fucking Trackhawk or a Hellcat, man. That's it. That's 100 bands off what? SMS marketing. Like, you want to go get a Trackhawk, Hellcat, do whatever you got to do, bro. This shit gonna bang. Now, that's how you do the ATL money glitch with SMS marketing. If you want to learn how to do the ATL money glitch with Facebook ads, with email marketing, Facebook ads, Shopify, comment down, bro. Comment down. Y'all better sub. Y'all better watch my other videos, because guess what? I have these other videos up that show you the ATL money glitch, man, off clothing. Like, bro, I drew this motherfucker on my goddamn iPad. I'm about to sell these for like 75 a pop. Off trolling. Off trolling. I was trolling. I got myself a Beamer. Off trolling, man. That's how you do the ATL money glitch. Stop playing, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Like the video. Show me some love. And I'll show you how to get a Hellcat. Oh, yeah. If y'all want a video on how to get rich off credit, how to use credit to your advantage, your boy Ray got you. You ask and I shall deliver. You shall receive what you ask for. So make sure y'all show me some love, man. Do your thing, bro. How the fuck do I stop OBS?